Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What is the significance of the title The Champions? Answer. The title The Champion is very significant because the story is about a boxing fight and the winner of that fight has to represent Pakistan in the World Boxing Championship in the lightweight category. Question 2. What was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? Answer. Ahmad Ali and Gulsher both had a dream of someday becoming a lightweight boxing champion of the world. Question 3. Why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? Answer. The fight was important for both Ali and Gulsher because the fight was actually for the selection of the player for the World Boxing Lightweight Championship. Both the boxers were fast friends and equal fighters. They both wanted to win it. Question 4. How did the two friends fight? Described in your own words in 5 sentences. Answer. It was a fierce fight. Both the friends fought toe to toe. They rushed towards each other like bulls and pounded blows on each other like hailstones. Ali continued to lash Gul hard. Gul's hand was also working like a piston, pumping hard punches on Ahmad Ali. Question 5. Compare and contrast the characters of Ali and Gul. Answer. They were bosom friends. Ali was shady, dark, short, well built and strong, while Gul was a Pushtun, fair, lean and tall. They were good boxers. Gul lean form and long reach made him a better boxer, while Ali's short and muscular frame made him a better fighter. They both didn't want to hurt each other. Question 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe it in detail. Answer. Yes, the story has conflict in it. One conflict is the contest between two bosom friends. Other is mental conflict because both of them are confused to think about the final boxing contest in which they are going to fight each other. They both are restless to think about the effects of the fight on their friendship. Question 7. What was the effect of the fight on the relationship of the two friends? Answer. Both the boxers were both friends. They were greatly worried how to face each other in the fight, but they also knew that fight would not affect their friendship. They fought with courage, bravery, as they knew that the better man should win the contest. Question 8. Keeping in view the relationship of two friends, is it easier or harder for them to fight each other? Support your answer by giving references from the text. Answer. It is harder for them to fight each other because they were bosom friends. Before their fight, both of them are restless. Ali says, "Man, I do not know how to come out with it." Gul also says, "I have been thinking about it. I have been awake at nights pulling punches on you, trying not to hurt you." Question 9. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with cogent argument. Answer. I am not satisfied with the ending of the story, The Champions, as they knew their friendship would not be affected by their fight, so they should have waited for the decisions of the judges. The loser should have congratulated the winner, and the winner should have encouraged the loser. The ending has left the reader unsatisfied.